Oh, amabhakabhaka awinile bafowethu, amabhakabhaka awinile. It's a 7 title out of 8. So it's an impressive run. Uma ucanga ukuthi iPirates namhlanje beyizodliwa iMoromo Gallants, I don't know which football you watch, because history tells you that out of the 7 previous cup that the cup final they played before this one, they've won 6. So now they've played 8 and they've won 7, and that's a very, very impressive run of the Orlando Pirates in terms of cup finals. My coffee is so nice today because we won. In terms of cup final, the Pirates is unstoppable. That's why they are called the Cup Kings. So there's no way Imoromo Gallants was going to win that game. Looking at the fact that the entire 120 minutes, Imoromo didn't have a shot on target. One shot on target on 120 minutes, showing that in defensive Pirates is very, very impressive. Very, very impressive. But I guess Moromo Gallants before Moromo Gallants, they have this player called Ibrahim Barnes, the guy with the ginger hair, number 6. That guy is brilliant. Whoever scouted that guy has a good eye of talent. That guy is very, very impressive. He ensured that he eliminates a creative spark with Orlando Pirates by denying them space and time on the ball. He made sure that Turela Agazali, Umoremi Agazali, that left Makgopa isolated, and they made sure they made Mark Makgopa to deny him any absolute chance ebengayithola. But the Pirates lesikhuluma ngayo. On 4th minute, Makgopa did get a chance. Instead of passing the net, ukuthi nje ayithele ngabandayo, because ukhipha ubengekho, it's just the net and a defender on goal. Kunje yavusa ikhanda ayithele ngabandayo and then pass the net. Lela goal bezochinja the completion of the game entirely. But it wasn't to be. I wasn't expecting a player of experience like Makgopa was going to be hasty. Galeandla be hasty ngakhona and failed to actually punish Imoromo Gallants for that mistake that they did. Galela bola lelia. So from that chance, Pirate was scrambling. There were no clear-cut chances, but I believe that that chance and the other one, those are the chances that they should have buried in the first half, because they were so dominant in terms of play, but not as good as Orlando Pirates, man. His creative spark wasn't there. And I saw Nemtajela. In my opinion, Nemtajela was the guy that was to be substituted. Unfortunately, Makhetleni Makhaula got a yellow card, so it was a forced change for him, bringing Inusipho Mbule, dropping Thalente Mbata to number 6, and then have Nemtajela on an 8. I think we are not speaking enough about Thalente Mbata. Kahle enwa fowethu. Uma besikhuluma ngama number 6 eSouth Africa njengamanje kwi-Betway Premiership, we are not speaking enough about Thalente Mbata, and we are not giving him his flowers. Mbata is exceptional kulo number 6. I know ukuthi Sundowns azotebza, but we have Mbata. Mbata given a chance ku number 6. Ayingeke bafowethu. There's very few players who can touch Mbata ku number 6. Mbata number 6 gives the Pirate the element, we build up phase to make sure that he comes in, he avails himself and play with the defenders. Akawadlala ama negative pass, he turns with the ball, adlala ama positive pass, breaking the lines, joining in attack. He even have shot on goals. And looking influence Mbata their game, I didn't think Uwadu was going to substitute Mbata and leave Nemtajela on the field of play. But he did. And that's when I thought he actually has messed up the game, because at that time Imoromo Gallants was on front foot and had more time on the ball than the Orlando Pirates. And I was hoping that they were going to press the Pirates so much that the Pirates breaks, but they failed to do that also. Having the Pirating in our number 6. And they were very, very shaky. Kudos to the defensive Pirate. The defensive Pirate is impenetrable. I'm not sure what it's going to continue on the trajectory. Chicago Fire. But impenetrable, the defensive Orlando Pirates, having not have a number 6 who actually protect the defense, and Mbappe so defensive ngaleya ndlela ukuthi they make sure that they deny Marouane Gallants a shot on target. Angeke bafuthi kahleni bafethu. Kahleni, that's why they are the best defensive team kwi-Betway Premiership. And I look surprised because even Wado himself was a defender. So taking out to number 6, maybe he believed so much on his defense that even if angekho umuntu protect or shield the defense, they are composed enough to ensure that they protect Usipho Chain, and they will make sure that there's no shot that goes on target. And some of the loose balls, stray balls, always Usipho Chain makes sure that he collects those. And Usipho Chinese passes, those long passes that he plays, kingakuyisini vele kuyiphumela manje. But sibuyele kwigame uDanson mabe bem-introduce, because besesingena umuntu number 6, but bebe-introduce uDanson forces uNamtajela to go back to a position number 6, then uDanson plays an 8. I think lapho that's when we started to look like a team that is competing kuleya game there. Hence, siqalile ukuba nama-movements amahle with the ball, because even we have Master Chef bengadlali kahle because we didn't have that guy, because ispine se-team kuna that guy odlala ku-number 6 nje la in front of defense, and that guy is very very important. And once kwamuva ufana ne-queen uma ngabe ubuka i-game of chess, once waremover u-number 6, then checkmate. Unfortunately, Marouane Gallants failed to do that. Now, speaking about Marouane Gallants, I don't know why Marouane Gallants started the game without Clifford, without Msendami, without Mpambaniso, because you are playing a Pirate, a very, very dominant Pirate. In terms of cup finals, they are going to win it they will throw everything to make sure that they win the cup, and then you don't bring the best of your players in that field of play. So, Coach Olafide, I don't know what he was thinking to start that game without Clifford, without Msendam, without Mpambaniso. I can't really understand that element. Maybe he was hoping to drag the game to extra time as he did, and hoping that after extra time it will go to penalties, because he knows John Arobi can save some penalties, but Usipho Chain can also do the same thing. This is iPirates. iPirates yona yodwa Jimmy. There's so much competition that training iyafana ne-game. So coming to the game, they are already on fire, because this is what they do every day in training. The competition is very, very high because of the depth ekhona squading. So putting some of your best players on a bench and then you want to defend, I don't think it was going to work in any form. But they managed to actually hold themselves until 90 minutes, because to hold yourself until 90 minutes against the Pirates, so basically. So because if it was a league game, they would have gotten a point. So hard luck to them. They tried their best, but it wasn't to be. Congratulations, Soma Pagani. 2 already. They're still in Nedbank Cup. They're still in Betway Premiership. And the Pirates number 1 with Betway Premiership, and those 2 are still yet to be played. Or we already on the Betway Premiership, but we are yet to play in Nedbank Cup. Watch out for a quadruple. Because I told you the Pirates was going to win the league before even the league iqala. So abanye benu but in your dreams the Pirates is win the league. Well, in my dream it has won the league. Literally, man, this is winner. And in Nedbank corner food, they are yet to compete for them. So watch out for the quadruple, because the Pirates has that potential ingaqoqa zonke kule season. Qoqa zonke. Operation Tata Zonke, Operation Chanel, Operation Shagwa San, Operation Itini Inkunzi, the operations of a giant. Congratulations to Mnyamangani. They made us proud. So if you thought the Pirates was going to lose, gonna screw us lose like Kandala Kumbo Papa in. Even the weekend Christmas it came very, very early, by Pirate being on top of the league and also winning 2 cup specialist. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Sipho on Sport, Nevertheless Commentaries. We love you.